Keep your NESPRESSO Vertuo Pop Lilac performing at its best with regular descaling. This quick process removes limescale buildup and ensures smooth operation and great-tasting coffee. How to descaling. To descale the NESPRESSO Vertuo Pop, empty the drip tray and capsule container, then fill the water tank with 0.5 liters of water and 1 unit of Nespresso descaling solution. Turn on the machine, eject any capsule, and enter descaling mode by following the button and lever sequence. Place a 1-liter container under the coffee outlet and start the descaling cycle, which takes approximately 20 minutes and cannot be interrupted. Once the first phase is complete, rinse the water tank and accessories, refill the tank with fresh water, and run the rinse cycle. When the button light becomes steady, descaling is complete. Allow the machine to dry for 10 minutes before use. Remember that the descaling solution can be harmful, so avoid contact with eyes, skin, and surfaces. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your NESPRESSO Vertuo Pop Lilac. See you at the next one.